Hi guys, the Pretty Girl Investor here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are following me on my journey to wholesaling real estate. I am very appreciative and I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. So just to give back, I am doing a $100 giveaway for when I hit 100 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. I will be telling you guys how to enter the $100 giveaway. This can help you get leads, pull lists, etc., and it's free for just supporting me. So stay tuned for that, and let's jump into the video. Today I will be giving you tips on how you can get 5 or more inbound leads just from Facebook, and it's all for absolutely free. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you can get these tips and these gems to how you can get some daily leads on a daily basis for absolutely free. Okay, we're pretty much all on Facebook all the time, so you're not doing anything new or going out your way to do what I'm about to tell you. We want to first start by going to Google and finding a We Buy Houses image or I Buy Houses image, and go ahead and screenshot that or save it as to your computer. Okay, so after that, we want to go ahead and go to Facebook Marketplace. Okay, this is not a Facebook ad. You're not creating an ad on Facebook. You're going to your Marketplace to upload this image. So after you upload your pictures to Marketplace, you want to go ahead and make a title. So the title should say something like "Sell your house fast for cash," or "We buy houses as is," or "We're looking for houses to buy," something like that. I try not to do the basic "We buy houses" because everybody has those and people tend to sometimes look over those. So I try to make my title a little bit different. After that, they will give you a couple spaces to fill out as part of their form, as in price, condition, and description. So you want to put the price. I usually just pick any price. I usually say that used and fair, because that's what I'm looking for. Used homes in fair condition or worse. And then the description, I put my description: I buy houses, close quickly, fast cash, all that good stuff. So you want to make sure you have all of that. And then I upload it to Facebook. I do this on a daily basis, consistently. Okay, so you have to make sure you do it consistently. The good thing about Facebook is that it will not let you upload the same photo twice. Okay, it's going to tell you you already uploaded this Facebook image. It's also going to tell you this photo might go against Facebook's rules, but guess what, they let you upload it anyway. So just go ahead and upload it. Unless they take it down, then change your wording, change the picture, and upload it again. Like I said, I do this consistently, faithfully, on a daily basis, and I generate 5 leads or more daily. Okay, and this is all for free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to be consistent. Like I said, they're going to tell you to change the pictures up. Change the pictures up, because people will think, oh, I'm gonna skip over this ad, but I'm going to go to this one. And guess what? It's the same person. So you're still going to be talking to me. Upload the pictures, you guys. You're already on Facebook. You might as well do something productive and get some money. These leads that are going to be coming in, sometimes they are seller leads and sometimes they are wholesaler leads. So that is still a great opportunity for you guys to JV with somebody, especially if they have good deals. Now, sometimes they will bring you some bad deals. Now, I don't put out the bad deals because, look, I have to protect my reputation as well. This is a good way to generate incoming leads on a daily basis. When I tell you, I literally get 5 leads or more just from uploading 1 picture a day. So you can do more than that if you want to and get more leads a day. But this is a great way to generate incoming leads for absolutely free. To end off my videos, I like to do affirmations of the day. The affirmation of the day is: I can become anything I put my mind to. To say your affirmations on a daily basis, and they will eventually come to life. So if you guys like this video and love this video, go ahead and click that like, comment, and subscribe button. Positive vibes, and just leave me some positive energy. I love positivity and good vibes, and I will see you guys in my next video.